Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a beautiful glamorous eye in just under 5 minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started. But please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below. And now let's jump in the video. So I've done the rest of my face off camera, and now it's time to start your eyes. So I'm first going to start applying the loose powder under my eyes to avoid any fallout, and then I'm going to start the timer. Today I'm using the K Beauty loose powder in the shade Latte. Just a disclaimer before we get started, this may take a little bit longer than 5 minutes. That's just because I'm going to explain to you while I'm doing it. But if you're doing it without any explanation, or when you have to go out, it is actually going to take you under 5 minutes. So I already have a little bit foundation on my lids while I was doing the rest of my face. And today I'm going to use the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Rose in the Air. And I'm taking this light brown of peachy shade over here, tapping off the excess and just applying it lightly in the outer corners, going all the way up to my crease. And then I'm just blending it out in circular motions and in windshield wiper motions. I'm also taking a tinier brush and taking the same shade to apply the same shadow in my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Matte in Metal Melted eyeshadow, and I'm taking the matte side. Now this you have to ensure that you work very quickly because this dries out extremely fast. So I'm applying a little bit under my crease, only on the lids, and with a flat brush I'm going to just blend it out. So I'm going to take a little bit more eyeshadow from the applicator with my brush because I want to increase the intensity, and then just applying it only on the centers of my lid, and then I'm blending it out upward towards my crease and towards the outer corners. Now I'm taking the same fluffy brush that I applied the Wet n Wild eyeshadow with, and I'm just going to lightly blend out the harsh edges that we may have created with the Matte and Metal Melted eyeshadow. Next, I'm taking the Forever 52 liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade FLE008. Again, you have to work extremely fast with this, and I'm going to apply it in the centers of my lid, little generously, and taking the same flat brush, but of course on the other side of the brush, I'm going to spread it around. I will take this color to the inner corners of my eye and just kind of creating a soft cut crease, not a very sharp one. I'm just going to spread it. Then going back with the same fluffy brush and the same color from the palette, I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines that we have from the sparkle liquid shade that we applied. now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply lots of mascara. So today I'm going to wear my falsies because I can wear my falsies pretty fast. But if you do not end up wearing falsies, I recommend you wear a lot of mascara. And today I'm going to wear the mascara from Too Faced, and this is called Damn Girl. I'm also going to apply mascara on my lower lash line and finish off my eye look with a small shader brush, and with this golden shade from the palette, tapping off the excess. I'm going to apply it in the inner corners of my eye and also under the highest points of my brows. And our time is up. I'm quite happy with the way my eye has turned out. I'm also going to finish the other eye, apply a pair of falsies, and I will be right back. So this is my final look, guys. I hope you guys liked the 5-minute eye tutorial I created. I'm gonna list down all the products in the description box down below for you guys to have a look later, because as you know, we were running short of time, so I was not able to show you all the products while I was doing my eye look. Do let me know if you like this tutorial by leaving a thumbs up in the bottom bar. Also, I would love to hear your comments on this video and this kind of content. I would love to also hear what kind of looks you want me to create under 5 minutes. Please leave it in the comment section down below, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, be safe, take care, and thank you for watching.